Hey, I am Jarek Walitsky. I often hear the question, why only water? The answer is simple. Water is the most powerful carrier in nature if you give it the right tool. At CleanVisions, we are bringing it back to its leading role. For decades, the industry has taught us that cleanliness requires aggression, but chemistry is a double-edged sword. Strong solutions don't just dissolve dirt, they permanently weaken the structure of your floor, making it porous and prone to damage. Chemical damage. There is something even more dangerous: chemical residues. When a machine fails to extract properly, or when leftover soaps and acrylics dry on the surface, they create an invisible, highly slippery film. It's a combination of excess chemicals and flawed mechanics. We eliminate this liability completely. Let's look at what really happens on your floor. A traditional monocrystal pad starts strong, but quickly loses its sharpness. As it dulls and clogs, it literally slows your operator down. It keeps spinning, but it's just rubbing the dirt, leaving a cloudy, matte trail behind. You lose time, money, and your beautiful shine. Now look at EZshine. This isn't magic. These are the strict laws of physics, and physics always defends itself. Our polycrystalline pads are self-sharpening. They constantly regenerate, revealing fresh, sharp edges. You achieve a perfect, high-gloss mirror finish, and you get it much faster. 100% efficiency from the first meter all the way to 50,000 square meters. It doesn't just spin, it cleans brilliantly, every single time. Their effectiveness drops steadily. As grains round off and lose their cutting edge, you burn more time, more chemistry, more labor, and still get inferior results. The floor wins. You lose money. Our Flex technology changes that equation completely. The polycrystal matrix continuously fractures at nanoscale, exposing fresh, razor-sharp edges during operation. No performance drop, no pad swap mid-job, pure mechanical efficiency from the first pass to the very last meter. The numbers don't lie. Where a standard pad gives up after 500 meters, EZshine can handle up to 50,000 square meters. That is a tenfold reduction in operating costs and a massive decrease in waste. The result is not just a shine, it is a surface with a roughness below 0.2 microns. So perfectly smooth that dirt and grime have absolutely nothing to stick to. Your daily maintenance becomes effortless, achieved only with water and physics. Consider the global scale. Every year, millions of gallons of toxic floor strippers and heavy metals are flushed into our wastewater systems. By switching to mechanical, water-based refinement, you are making a massive impact on our ecosystem. This runoff doesn't just disappear. It poisons our rivers, threatens our drinking water, and destroys aquatic life. By switching to mechanical, water-based refinement, you stop this destruction at the source and make a massive, immediate impact on our ecosystem. At CleanVisions, we combine physics with economics. We care for your finances, the safety of your people, and clean water for the world through the Made Blue program. Let's change the standards together. Visit CleanVisions.ai.